Hello friends, my name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the hidden field in state management, second technique of client side. So let us start hidden field. And here, Microsoft Visual Studio Express for Web Edition is open. SM state management website folder is open in file menu. I take new file, and here C# web form file is there, and now I give the name of file, and we can prepare login form using hidden form field. So HFF hidden form field, that is my short I can give, and just press add. So fix our goal, and first I can show you in toolbox there is here hidden field, there is a control, and that is non-visual control, so that not appearing the uh, design run at runtime, because there is non-visual control. So only one control in ASP.NET that not visible in at runtime, because that control is a hidden. Its name implies that is hidden. So our client side technique, we can say that like view state. So that type token is maintained in the hidden form field. So here we use the control hidden field in our logging form to maintain and how understand the hidden at runtime. So here fix our goal, and that is control we can use like hidden, uh, that control, that's we can see the here just use the hidden field, there is not use word the form. So here we give just field, a hidden field demo. Okay, that is title of our page, and here we take one panel, and that's id like p1 net server side, and grouping text, that is the heading of panel, and that is we can logging uh, page, okay, logging page using hidden hidden field, hidden field. Okay, and just give the back color, and that's I can show it in the pickup color option. So more color option is there here, more color. So we can take some light color, so visible easily. Okay, here. Okay, now just okay, and close. And now take one label, and that's ID LLUN username, run at server side, and that text, that is user name. Okay, just close, and then take one text box, and that is extun, run at server side, and just close and provide one br tag. And now I just copy to again for password, and here I give label text as a password, and here give first change the text box id txt pw, and text mode property is there, so many value is there, and here I give the password, so our password is not visible. And now take one button to submit our user login form data. You can also take user form, no problem, and here submit, and just close the button and take br, but in between we take two, after the button we have to take, so we can identify here, take hidden form field, hidden form, hidden field only, form is word not used. So here first we give hf, okay, 1, and that's run at server side. Okay, and just close. Here we can use hfu and username, and just copy and paste. Okay, taking to other and just provide BR tags. So next line, and that ID also I can change HF then field PW password. Okay, and then now take one label to print our output, and that ID either take like LBL answer, run it server side, and just text is an output. Okay, now pause. So let us check here, two label, two button, one button, two text box, two hidden field, and there is output label. So we can check at design. So here our two label, two text box, one button, two hidden field control, and one output of label. Our goal, we can submit that label, print this username password, but with help of the hidden field, and also provide in button. Okay, and let us check our design here. After button we take enter directly here. Okay, and select, and here left margin is there, so here put time. You can also take the table of HTML, so better looking. Now I just click and take the value of text box. So we can take first hidden field and then assign to the label. So that is our goal. And HF, that is hidden user dot value. So here, and provide the text box and text. So we can check at runtime. And then second hidden field control, that is non-visual control. So we can runtime, we cannot see that control. Okay, and that value property is there. Just assign our password to that field, and now we take our label. LBS answer is there, and then text we provide like heading user name, and then we can use hidden field user dot that value. So directly we have to not use, so just br, and then password you also print. You cannot print your password, I just for demo purpose that is used. So here hf means hidden field password, and then that value. So now complete our coding. So very simple coding and understanding the hidden field, because use state maintain their ID in hidden type of hidden provided by the token to every control and every control event that maintaining the hidden. So server round trip all control identify how many control or any other new control appear to ASP engine. So I think I just run and check to our output is print, and here after button two hidden field we have to, and let us check at runtime. Okay, so now our page is running, and logging.hff hidden form field and ASP. So here you cannot see the hidden field control because that is non-visual control. So you can runtime, you cannot see that control. So only one control in ASP.NET, that is known as a non-visual. Non-visual means not visible at runtime. So that is hidden. So that name hidden field. So now I can just give some value like RAM, and password is not visible. I give, and then you can watch in here some sign is appear that password, and I just submit. So here you can see my password, username Ram, and password is a Sitaram. And also let us check. I just click on I right click on running web page, and then here view source code is option is there, and now our source code is open. So first you can see it is a view state, that is client side technique, and hidden field is also is a client side technique. So in state management, there are four techniques: view state, hidden form field, query string, and cookies. There is four technique work on the client side, and two technique like session and application state management work on the server side. And what is a state management? State management, you can store some information for future reference. So web server is identify which, how many control your page and what user request and what is a response, that is maintained best way in the session. And application state management also. Application is you can store global variable. My upcoming video lecture I also cover these all techniques. Okay, so now we can check here type is hidden. There is so long id provided by the server, so here you can see, and there is alpha digital, there is view state, and where is the type hidden field. So here you can see the type is hidden used by view state, and same way we use just hidden field control. So here you can see our first label username, that type text box, and then second, and then that text box and button, and then now our type is hidden, and hidden un, that is id, and that is our value now store. So we can store in hidden form field to our value, and you can run time, you cannot watch that control because that type is a hidden, so non-visual control. So you in that you can see here not that two control is appear in our design at runtime, but in uh, not running page you can watch that control. Here two control is there. So I hope you can understand how hidden field work in the client side and as a state management technique. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your supporting, sharing, watching my video lecture. Hare Krishna.